In this video, we're going to cover the manager lockout functions and some of the other features that are available behind the standard operator screen. So to access those, we're going to depress the setup key. 349 is the original code for this. Enter. And you can see now we're on a technician's or manager screen where we have the normal water and down pressure, but we also now have access to traction and the vacuum. So from this screen, we can alter what environment 1, 2, or 3 is. So from 1, we might decide we don't want 2 for water flow, we want it to be 1. And instead of low, we want that to be office. So I'll save that, but I renamed it. Takes a few seconds to save to the data. And now it's called office. And now when I go to number 1, it's going to be 1 water flow and 2 down pressure. We might decide on number 3, instead of maximum, we want to call that the shop. And we'll save that. And we also might decide, instead of having maximum scrubbing speed, we actually want to slow that down so we scrub a little bit better. So we'll still be scrubbing very hard with lots of water and maximum vacuum, but I slowed my speed down to 80% for shop. And again, I'm going to save that before I exit the screen. And once we get done with this, we're going to get back to the main operator screen by pushing the home button. And then we're going to see that 1 is now water flow 1, where it was originally 2, down pressure is 2. 2 we didn't change at all. It's still 3 and 3 called medium, but then also 3 is now called shop, water flow 4, down pressure 4. Those things were all accessed through the setup button where I entered 349, then enter. The thing that's important to make sure when we're working this area is the changes you make to the name or any of these settings before you exit with a home, be sure to save your work with the green save button. The other thing we can do from this is we can lock out a field. So if we don't want our operators to be able to scrub this hard, I can actually lock number 3 by pushing this lock button, save it, and then we're going to exit out and we're going to see what happens on the operator screen when I've locked environment 3. So it could be we have a new operator and we want them to have access to clean the office. We want them to be able to do medium work, but you'll see that now they can no longer adjust any of those fields because once one of the environments is locked, these are no longer adjustable. They are restrained to only environment 1 and 2, and those are no longer adjustable fields for them. That's the end of this video.